I'm Britta, and here are 5 reasons why you should buy the Rotary All-on-Wall. Number 1, optimization. You can optimize your workshop space because you don't need consoles, data towers, or PCs. In fact, all operations are handled by a 10-inch tablet that can be magnetically placed on a metal surface. Number 2, Real 3D Target. The All-on-Wall uses Real 3D Target technology and HD cameras, an innovative wireless system with Bluetooth transmission that can be used on different types of lifts, thanks to the automatic compensation of the plane. Number 3, customer focused. The All-on-Wall can be used with 2 types of clamps, a set of 4 self-centering 3-point clamps, or a set of 4 self-centering 4-point clamps. This helps meet the needs of all workshops. Number 4, versatility. The All-on-Wall is available in 2 versions. The light version with either 4-point or 3-point clamps, and the large version with 3-point clamping system. Number 5, smart design. Another significant feature is that the 3D measuring heads can be safely and securely stored at the bottom of the housing. There is also a charging station where you can conveniently place batteries. This way, you will always find them charged and ready to use. For more information, click the link in the description and feel free to contact us.